Pero at the end of the day, sinasabi ni Vice President, it's too late. In fact, it's not too late, but it's what you're doing is nothing. Because 3 taong pinabayaan mo at lumala ng lumala ang korupsyon, Marcos Jr. You are the culprit of all these things that is going on with our country. Hindi ko nga alam, yung mga iba, hindi nananawagan na mag-resign ka. There are so many people who are asking you to resign. Pero hindi ko alam itong baka yung mga iba, sinuhulan mo iba na hindi magsabing, Tapos, ang lakas pa ng loob, sasali daw siya sa rally kung di siya presidente. Alam mo, sobra-sobra ng pambubola mo sa taong bayan, Marcos Jr. Mahiya ka naman, yun ang Sabi nitong kasama ko, pathological liar ka daw Ever since.
Pero Sek, yung tanong ko, sabi niya kung hindi siya presidente, kasama siya sa rally. Pero kung hindi siya presidente, baka walang rally.
Tama, it's the chicken or the egg. And it just so happened that the egg is that since you were the president and you were incompetent,